An occasion to be in the vicinity of Fifth Avenue South on that particular day?
Yes, I did.
And did you have an opportunity to come into contact with either Gene Gore or Sandra Gore?
Yes, I did.
And how was that, sir?
I was dispatched as backup to Deputy Eaton. He had said something on the radio about a person who may have been shot or stabbed in the area of Fifth Ave South.
Okay. And what did you observe when you got to Fifth Avenue South?
When I arrived, Deputy Eaton was by the passenger side of a white pickup, and there was a white female inside the vehicle that was bleeding from a head wound.
Okay. And what did you do when you arrived there after you observed that scene, sir?
I assisted Deputy Eaton in removing her from the vehicle so that we could provide her some medical attention.
Okay. And were you able to provide some type of medical attention?
More than trying to control the bleeding, not really.
Okay. And how was that done? Was that done by Deputy Eaton or yourself?
I had gloves on, and I believe Deputy Eaton did, or Officer Eaton did too, but I don't recall.
Okay. And were you were you part of the bicycle?
No, I was a traffic deputy at the time.
Okay, so you had
officer.
A vehicle at the time?
Yes, I did.
All right. Other than providing medical assistance or attempting to provide medical assistance to the victim, did you do anything else there?
After EMS had arrived, I assisted in placing crime scene tape around the area that we consider to be our crime scene, basically around the vehicle.
Afternoon, officer.
Good afternoon.
By the way, do you have any evidence of any nature to indicate that the deceased was suicidal or depressed?
I do not know.
All right. Did you see the gun when you got to the scene?
I don't recall. I didn't make any note of it.
Okay. Did you see the holster?
At some point, I did see the holster inside the vehicle, but I don't remember at what time.
Where was it?
I believe it was on the floorboard of the vehicle at the time that I saw it.
On the floorboard?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the driver's side?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Out in plain view?
Yes, sir.
You didn't have any, it wasn't under the seat?
Not that I recall, no.
All right. When you assisted in helping Mrs. Gore out of the vehicle, what door did you access?
The passenger side of the vehicle.
All right. And you said someone else was helping you get the body out?
Deputy Eaton and I both removed her from the vehicle.
And you withdrew her both from the passenger side, is that right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And that would have been the only time you looked in the vehicle?
That and walking around it. I know that both doors were open.
Okay. And that's when you would have seen then the holster on the floor on the driver's side?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.